NYSSBA News is supported by the New York School's Insurance Reciprocal. At Brewster High School, students and staff can hit the virtual pause button in the Mindful Moment Room. The space is a retreat to help maintain and restore balance in a hectic life.
If you feel your shoulders kind of shrugging up to your ears, see if you can just allow the shoulders to relax.
Health teacher Rebecca Archer wanted to provide a quiet space for anyone feeling anxious, stressed, or conflicted.
You know, sometimes we just need a few minutes to refocus, to get our head on straight so that we can move forward. You know, they're not coming in here for hours and avoiding life. They're coming in here to refocus, to get themselves in a good place so that they can move forward with their day in a positive way.
Trained student and staff ambassadors help visitors make the most of utilizing the quiet space by offering them calming and coping strategies for dealing with school pressures.
I wanted to be a student ambassador because I know that mental health is a really important part of a student's high school career. And I think that if I can help others improve their mental health being a student ambassador, then it's completely worth it.
The lighting is dim and the vibe is peaceful and inviting. Every detail supports the mission of breaking from technology.
Everything is moving too fast, and everybody needs a small moment in their day to find themselves, to relax, to shut everything off and focus. And that's what this room is about.
As we kind of grow, we learn to be a little more compassionate with each other, because during high school, everyone goes through, terrible things or, whatever's going on in their life. And I think it really comes down to being mindful is just putting yourself in the moment and taking time for yourself.
It cost $1,000 to retrofit the room. Donations offset most of the expenses. In addition to some staff, 40 student ambassadors are enrolled in the program, and many of the students volunteer their time to help others. I'm Casey Nicholson reporting for NYSSBA News.